Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna make this cute and easy envelope with half of page. This is a digital. It was one of the free digitals on a group on Facebook. So let's do it. Let's put it here. And I mark everything is the same page. You can make it in any size. What I did was I divide my page. I leave 1.5 here, 3.5, and 3. And this one is the one that is going to go on top of this one. So let's start. And here is 1/4 inch. Let's start by cutting whatever we don't need. And now we cut it this way. So how you doing? How was your week? Mine has been very busy. And I assume yours was busy too, so thank you very much for being here with me. Thank you for all the comments that I received. And let's start here. So we're gonna fold the first one, the second one, now because this is paper, we need to use some other piece of paper. Let me find a piece of paper that I can put it here. I'm not sure if this one will work because it's too thin, so when I cut my curve, my corner here, sorry, it was a little bit a pain. So now if you add another piece of paper, it's easier. You see? That's it. And we're gonna fold this one in. Let's see, this one is not totally in. Okay, let's see when we fold it. Oh, this one didn't come straight. You know, when you are on camera, anything can happen. Even the most easy and simple thing can go wrong. So I'm sorry if I have my head on top of the screen, but I want to fix this and it doesn't want to. But it's done. Okay, now the only thing that I like to do when I do those kind of envelopes is I like to put a piece of cardstock when I'm gonna glue the sizes, and I will let you know why. Because sometimes, just sometimes, not all the time, but we put extra glue, and so the extra glue, it will be here. Actually, it should be one of those pieces. It should be one of these, but that's okay. We are gonna be very careful putting the glue. Done. Let me give some color here. And you can use this one to glue it to your journal, or you can clip it with a lovely paper clip. I have some videos on paper clips, so you can go around and check. But ready. Now, let me erase and let's do this. I'm gonna do it just like the other one, okay? So we don't break our head thinking what we're gonna do. And let's do this. One here. Let's take this one out because I don't like all those pointing things. And let's put some glue. Even though it's sticky, you know, sometimes it's better that we put some glue. Remember, this is washi tape. And I have this one for a very long time. And I have my image here. So in this envelope, I glue it here and it will close anyway. But I thought like maybe this one, I can put my image here because it's heavier than that. And we will keep the envelope closed. Or I can cut it and have a part here and a part here. And when the envelope closes, it has the full image. Let me think about it. No, I'm gonna close it with this. So let's see. Let's get a sentiment. This is wonderful. And let's glue this one on top of the envelope. So you know, decoration is on you. You decide how you want it, where to put it, what kind of decoration you want to put, or if you want just a simple envelope. So here we have it. This is the classic one. You can put everything, and by putting the piece of cardstock, when you glue in, you save the whole envelope for the goodies or for the tag, because nothing gets stuck. Okay, so that is the idea. Here is the same. Let's make sure that I did it right. Here. Okay. I think I'm gonna clip it off this little piece. It's not really necessary, but it's going to coming back time and time, and I don't like it. So 1 and 2. Let me put this one down here so you can see it while I'm fixing my cutting mat. So this is it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, please leave a comment. You can reach out to me through Facebook too. There is a page and all the information is in the description box. And if you are new here, please subscribe. I hope that whatever you find here inspire you and keep you busy. Okay? So have a great day and see you soon. Bye-bye.